No, they'll do whatever it takes to get back home.
Fire in the hole!
The animated animals are at it again in Madagascar 3, Europe's Most Wanted. The latest installation of the popular DreamWorks franchise finds the beloved zoo animals still trying to find their way home to New York City. When the crew takes cover by joining a traveling circus, they discover new talents and even some new friends. Comedian Chris Rock explained why he loves returning to the role of Marty, the over-the-top animated zebra.
Marty is very, for lack of a better word, animated. So I get to be really big. There's no such thing as overacting in an animated movie. They just make the movie bigger for you. They just make it fit. You're never too big for the screen. That's what I like about it.
Other voices behind the colorful characters include Ben Stiller as Alex the Lion, David Schwimmer as Melman the Giraffe, Sacha Baron Cohen as King Julian, and Jada Pinkett Smith as Gloria the Hippo. For Smith, the series has been so successful with both children and adults not only because of its humor, but also because of its heart.
The thing that I love about all the Madagascar movies that we've done, they're fun, but they also have a lot of heart. Our movies are always dealing with really simple central issues, that basically are dealing with relationships and how one relates to themselves and to the world. And which is relatable across the board, whether you're an adult, whether you're a child. And so I think that coupled with some pure fun, that's entertainment.
See if the kooky cast of Zoo Creatures finally makes it home in Madagascar 3, coming to theaters on June 8th.
Circus, Afro, circus, Afro, circus, Afro, polka dot, Afro.
Really?